So we got a LS Swap International Scout here that has a problem with hard starts. It has an aftermarket external fuel pump on it, which I believe either the check valve has gone bad or it doesn't have a check valve in it to hold fuel pressure. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. If I can do two things at once. If you watch the gauge there, watch when I turn the key on and it primes. And then watch it, see it drop immediately after it primes. And if you wait and then try to start it, the longer you wait, the worse it gets to start. Watch. See how it didn't kick right over? And then immediately the fuel pressure drops. But if you turn the key on and right while it's priming, you fire the motor, it fires right up. So if you have one of these external fuel pumps and have a problem with hard starts, that's probably your problem.